Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael Studebaker, and today we're going to be talking about the different ways to invest your first $1,000. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when content comes out. And now on to the video. Now there are many things you can do with your first $1,000. It ultimately depends on your current situation, what your passion and goals are. These are, at the end of the day, suggestions and recommendations based on my experience and what has helped me. Based on your situation, you can decide which of these are best for you and your future. If you guys saw my previous video where I talked about the steps to money management, I mentioned one of the most crucial steps towards financial independence is to invest in yourself. By doing so, you gain knowledge and skill sets that are relevant to what your goals are and passion, which will help you start a business or expand your income streams. This will usually be the stepping stone towards your financial independence, as it will likely get you the most bang for your buck. The thing I would recommend is to buy books, as they will give you a better understanding of the topic that you want to pursue. For me, my passion is investing in personal finance, so some of the books I used to further my knowledge were Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street and John C. Bogle's The Boglehead's Guide to Investing. These gave me the knowledge I need to understand and start investing and building towards my future. These suggestions are not in any specific order, as it will depend on your goal and situation. The next recommendation would be to use that $1,000 to get your feet wet in the business you want to start. Now this can range from starting a YouTube channel, which would mean investing in some equipment such as a camera, a microphone, lighting, etc. Or if you want to start a blog, to put that money towards starting a website, as you usually have to purchase a URL for your blog. You could invest that money into an app idea you want to develop too. There's many things out there to do, and $1,000 in reality isn't a whole lot, but it is definitely a start. And even if it doesn't work out, that failure is very valuable, as it will give you experience on what works and what doesn't. And this can be applied to the next idea you try. If you don't fail, how can you expect to learn and grow and make something successful? Failure can be seen as a valuable life experience, and I say that someone who hasn't ever failed will never be successful, because that just means they aren't trying, but rather playing safe. If you're the type of person who doesn't have the time to research on individual companies and their finances, and is looking for a long-term investment that will give you passive income, I'd recommend index funds, which are the type of mutual fund or exchange-traded funds, ETF for short, which is created to track the performance of a specific portfolio of stocks in the stock market. These are very low in fees and are usually a buy and forget kind of investment style. Vanguard is one of the most well-known index funds out there. They offer a wide variety of index funds depending on what section of the market you want to invest in. If you just want an index fund for the overall market, VTSAX would be the index fund for you. But the key is due diligence, as there are plenty of index funds out there which range from overall market, international market, bond market, and even real estate, which would be known as a real estate trust, or REIT for short. The good thing about index funds is that it introduces you to what long-term investing is and gives you a solid foundation for investing in general. Another good thing with index funds is that you won't have to worry about diversification of your portfolio, as an index fund covers a wide range of companies. These also give you an annual return of, on average, 7 to 9%, taking into account inflation, which is around $70 to $90 per year on a $1,000 deposit, and pretty much for doing nothing besides investing it. This is passive income that can be reinvested back into your portfolio. Now, if you're a person that is interested in investing and wants to learn about the stock market, but doesn't mind taking on more risk, then this next recommendation may be for you. After reading books on investing, this is what I decided to do instead of index funds, because I really enjoy researching companies from their price to earnings ratio to their earnings per share and just looking at their balance sheets while being in control of my investments. This would be to buy and trade individual dividend stocks or cryptocurrency if you're interested in that. But just remember to do your own research and not to take what anybody else says as fact. This would give you full exposure to trading and investing, as you would have to research companies or cryptocurrencies you're interested in to see if they would be a good investment long term. However, with this kind of trading, you would encounter more commissions fees, but the learning experience would be worth it. This is just the general sense of index funds and dividend cryptocurrency investing, which I'll be going more into detail in another video. This $1,000 should serve as an introduction into whatever you're interested in and want to do. At the end of the day, this should get you to gain more knowledge and skills to help you move in the right direction towards your goals and passions, ultimately your financial independence. To be successful, you need to have a solid foundation and fundamentals. This $1,000 will start your journey towards that. If you have any questions, my email's there. Feel free to contact me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content and found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. I wish you guys much success in whatever you choose to do, and use some of the recommendations to start your journey towards financial independence. Remember, consistency is key, and hard work pays off. Thank you guys. I'm Michael, and I'll see you guys in the next video.